If you're new to online transcribing, you can look for transcription jobs for beginners. Many websites offer these services, but some are better than others. A good option is Rev, which has been around since 2010. It pays well for good transcription work, but it can be challenging to get accepted. Even experienced people have trouble getting accepted on this site. However, it allows you to retake the test if you're not accepted. The pay here is around 40 cents to 60 cents per audio minute, and the process is relatively quick. Hey, it is your boy again, Willie DeJarnett. In this video, I'm about to discuss home transcription jobs. I'm also going to provide you the company URL in the video, so stay until the end. Hey guys, before we get into the training, I would like for you to like and subscribe to my channel. Also guys, I have a system that will help you triple your email list in a matter of no time. Guys, take a look at the link that I have below, and if you can't remember, it's tripleyouremaillist.com. guys. Take a look at that link so you can triple your emails in your email box in a matter of no time. I'll see you in the training. Now we know this job is about home transcription jobs for beginners, but I want to make sure as we go through these jobs, I want to make sure you understand what is going on. When it comes to transcription work, eventually you want to start out these jobs, but as you go through these jobs, you want to steadily get better, because these are companies that hire you, and they hire other people and use you as the workers. So if you want to make a substantial amount of money, you want to start out with these companies and eventually be your own freelancer. And these are the perfect way to get started. And then you can actually be a good transcription. So let's go to our first actual site, and it's called revcom. And I've created a video on this before. And what you want to do, you want to come in here, and if this is one of your jobs that you want to apply for, you want to come in and apply for this job and actually get the experience through this company. That's what you want to do. You want to get the experience through this company. Right here, you want to click on careers, and then you want to go ahead and get it what you can for its experience with these companies. And you see the job openings here. But like I said, I want you to make sure you understand while you're watching this video that these companies are hired by people. They hire you to do the work, so you're not getting everything that company has to offer. But what you're doing, you're gaining experience. That's one thing that you're doing. Eventually, as we get towards the end of this video, I want to show you how you can do it yourself. So that's what you want. You want to start out with Rev, because once you go to these companies and you get quality experience with these companies, there's going to come a time when you can be your own boss. So Rev is the first company that I wanted to start out with. So that's what I want you go through and look at all of these companies and see which one is for you, and then you want to be your own boss. So let's go to the next one. The next one is gotranscription. Now I want to let you know to actually work with these people, there is a examination that you got to take, and there are several videos out there that teaches you what you need to do to pass the test. But let me tell you something, this is a part of the process. So if a challenge just turns you away, you won't never be your own boss. This is the privilege of being at home by yourself, so you don't have to answer to the boss. But this is the process that you need to go to get started. So GoTranscript is another site, because what you want to do is, once you become your own boss, you're measuring yourself against these companies. So people that want to hire you, gonna go to you prior to these companies. But if you're not quality, they're gonna come back to these companies. So what you're doing, you're getting started, you're getting some experience, and you're measuring yourself against these companies. So you want to go ahead and get started right here with transcript, as if that's a company that you want to try. Okay, now we got another one. It's called a transcribeme, and you know, I've talked about this one before. And what you want to do, you want to go to jobs, and like I said, you want to go there, and if you already got a little experience in transcription work, go ahead and apply for these jobs to see where you're at. You may not be ready to be your own entrepreneur. You may not be ready, but this is the perfect example to get you started. So if you wanted to go ahead and work in the field for a little while, go ahead and get started. Transcribe me. I'll have a link in the video below. So make sure you continue to stay with this entire video. There's not going to be any in the notes. You have to watch the video to get the links. So let's go to the next video. Let's go to the next link, crowdsurf. Now here, if you want to go get involved with some transcription work, you either want to be US and Canada or you want to do international. They do have international where you can go ahead and get started. And this is the perfect way to measure yourself up if you decide to become an entrepreneur. But if you can get really fluent, you can get paid with these people. You may not want to be an entrepreneur. Now let's go to our next site. I'm going through this pretty quick because I don't want this to be an extensive video. I'm providing you the links so you can get to these transcription jobs. Now the next one is called castingword, and I went ahead and went straight to the job. So, and this is what you want to do. We can go down here. I think it's kind of like a let's go down here. I think this is what this job here is like, a freelancer. And this is what you're going to do. You're going to come in and you actually working for these people, but you're actually a freelancer. And that's basically saying you don't, they don't have to give you any kind of benefits or anything like that. You just get paid for what you get, for what your work is. So that's basically what you're doing. But like I said, in this actual field, you're testing your skill, you're testing your knowledge, so you could be your own boss at one point. Okay, now we got tigerfish transcription. Their jobs out there right here. So I already have the links right here, so when you can come in and take a look at all the jobs that this company here wants. So this right here is helping you get going. And here's the application. This is all the stuff that they're talking about. They don't do a call. Everything is done through email. So go ahead and take a look at it, and then look at about us. Just make sure you understand what the company is all about. Now let's go ahead and go to the next one. The next one is called Way with Words, and I already went to the job. And what I did is, let me see if they do have any jobs that are available. What you're going to have to do is you're going to have to go ahead and join this actual company, sign up and get going and find out about this company. But like I said in the beginning, if you look at it right here, we're looking for high proficiency English first language speakers from the following countries and regions: South Africa, United Kingdom, countries in Europe, Union, United States, Canada, Australia, New Zealand. You can see what it's saying, freelancer or full-time. So, and it tells you what their rate is. Like I said, when you look at that rate is talking about per job. You're not looking at per hour. You're looking at per audio minute. Yeah, so I'm just telling you. So that's why I'm trying to tell you, get your experience with these people and get going. And then you can get to the point where you're making a full-time career. I'll have this link here below. Okay. Now the next one is daily transcription, and I already went to the careers. And you want to look transcriptionist, subtitles, billing in Spanish that's bilingual. So like I said, it's a lot of different jobs that you can do. But like I said, your goal is not to be here forever. If you choose to be here forever and that's the amount of money that you want to work, that's cool. I can say this, if you are an excellent transcription, because let me explain this too before we go further. What makes you the most money is the speed and accuracy. That's what people who are actually can do this absolutely real fast and have accuracy on what they're doing. That's the one who makes money. So you look at here, it says we don't guarantee a specific amount of work per day / week, but our top transcriptions make anywhere from $250 to $950 a week. So you see where it says it right here, top transcriptionists. So that lets me know that person is flowing. That person is really flowing. It's $1,000 a week. $1,000 a week is actually good. You may not want to be your own boss when it comes to stuff like that, but it comes with the speed and the quality of your work. So let's go ahead and go to the next one here. All right, we're finished. Now let's talk about this. This one is called Udemy. Udemy is where you can come in and get a course to help you get better. And what I'm going to do is we're just going, and this is what we're going to do. And I won't go into this too long. There is a free course. You have to walk through here and filter it out. I'm not going to do this today, but there are courses that help you get going. And I'm going to tell you the reason why I say that, because if you decide you want to work here, you got to pass a test. This course might be the one that can help you. This course helps you get better. So let me explain to you, the transcription world is really, really real, simply because a lot of major businesses have those captions below their video. They don't have time to do it. And they have software that can actually get your actual message from a video, but it's not clean. It's not really, really clean. And you have to come in and refix the verbiage and everything. But like I said, if you taking this transcription work serious, there are courses to make you better so you can be an entrepreneur. So, and another site right here, and that was Udemy. And I'll have these sites here below. This is the site where you can come in and get some practice. You can come in and practice and get better. So here, there's another site. And like I said, I'll have these links below. And then another site that I use, this is actually my Grammarly account. This is what I use. I don't trust myself. English was never my subject. I'm just telling you, I was a math guy. So I have to use Grammarly to help me out on things like that. So those are tools that can help you. Now let's get to the entrepreneurship. Let's just go here and we're going to type in, if I can type it in right. Yeah, let's just look at it. See, this is what end up happening. Once you have took yourself through all of these and gain some experience, here it is, we can filter out. You want to be a freelancer. I want to show you what these people are actually charging. $20 an hour, $15 an hour, $12.50 an hour, $20 an hour, $70 an hour. Look at there. See, once you become proficient, that's what you can charge. You competing on the market with all these other guys. That's what you're doing. So this is I took you through all of these sites, and this is where you need to head. This is what's going to make you the money. You went through the experience and got paid as you went along, not what you wanted to get paid, but you got paid as you went along. And then here you go, you're your own boss. You can call your own shot. Look at there. Look at all stuff that they're proofreading, error checking, medical transcription, legal transition, auto posting, production. So, hey, awesome. Another one is Fiverr. I have to log into my account to go into that, but you can go ahead and do Fiverr. Now, I want you to understand when your own boss, because you're there to provide service. They either charge you upfront free or they get a fee from you after you're being billed. Money is always being paid in some kind of way. So you can get your compensation back from upping your price or whatever. So like I said, these two sites, you can come in and you could be your own boss. But yeah, I just want to show you a process that you need to go to become a home transcription job for beginners. And this one here will take you on your merry way. Let me tell you something. That's one thing. We do have video out there, but actually audio to text, it's never going nowhere. You always have to have a form of reading. So guys, I hope you had the opportunity to enjoy this video. Before you leave, I want to get a thumbs up and I want to get a like and a subscribe. And I'll see you guys. Like I said, try to post every day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the training, but don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. and leave some comments just to let me know what you thought of the video and what I could do better. Guys, take care, and I'll see you on the next training.